Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not responding on reads we click on settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Threads and you click. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. Here we go to storage. In this page of storage we click on clear cache. Here, as you see, you will find this sign like this. We click to turn on your airplane mode, and then we'll turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget